Hey guys, if Snapchat notifications are not making sound on your device, then watch this video until the end to figure out easy and quick solutions for your problem. Here, I have created this table to help you with the simple steps that you can follow to solve your problem. So let's start. Number 1. Check device volume. Make sure your device volume is turned up and that silent mode is disabled. On iPhone, volume up button can be used to increase the volume, and make sure that silent mode switch above the volume buttons is turned off. On Android phones, use the volume up button to increase the media volume. Open settings, then click sound and check the media volume slider is set to an audible level. Number 2. Verify app notification settings. Confirm that Snapchat notifications and sounds are enabled on your device. On iPhone, open settings, then choose notifications, then choose Snapchat, then make sure you allow notifications and sounds. On Android phones, open settings, choose apps and notifications, then choose Snapchat, then choose notifications. Verify that sound is turned on for each notification category. Check in-app notification settings. Open Snapchat and click on your profile icon. Then click on the settings icon, select notifications. Make sure the sounds are enabled. Disable do not disturb mode. Do not disturb mode on your device silences all notifications including Snapchat sound. On iPhone, open settings, choose focus, then choose do not disturb and turn it off. On Android phones, open settings, choose sound and vibration, then choose do not disturb and turn it off. Number 5. Turn off silent notifications. On Android phones, press and hold Snapchat icon and tap app info. Go to notifications. Make sure silent notifications are disabled and set to sound or default. Disable battery saver mode. On iPhone, open settings, then choose battery, then turn off low power mode. On Android phones, open settings, choose battery, then turn off battery saver mode from the quick settings panel or battery settings. Clear Snapchat cache. Corrupted or excessive cache data can cause Snapchat features including notifications to malfunction. So open Snapchat and click on your profile icon, then choose settings, then scroll to account actions and click clear cache. Then click continue to confirm. Update Snapchat. You must update Snapchat from App Store if you are an iPhone user or from Google Play Store if you are an Android user. On iPhone, open App Store, then click your profile icon and check for updates under Snapchat. Similarly, on Android phone, open Google Play Store, click your profile icon, choose Manage Apps, locate Snapchat and click Update if available. Restart your device. Restarting your device will clear temporary glitches that affect notifications and sound. On iPhone, press and hold the side button and volume button until the slider appears. Drag it to power off, then restart. On Android phone, press and hold the power button on the side of your device, then click restart. Reinstall Snapchat. Reinstalling will fix persistent issues caused by corrupted installation files. To uninstall, on iPhone, click and hold Snapchat, then select remove application. Similarly, you can uninstall on Android phone, then reinstall it from App Store if you are an iPhone user or from Google Play Store if you are an Android user. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, then you must contact Snapchat support for further assistance. That's it guys. Thank you.